everyone. Today I am going to explaining different stages of relationship marketing. In that content, introduction, meaning, stages or level of relationship marketing, and conclusion. Introduction. Relationship marketing has the aim to build link mutual satisfying long-term relationship with the key partners in order to earn and retain their business. Key partners are the stakeholders, suppliers, dealers, distributors, and etc. Relationship marketing much more efficient method of building a business than the typical plush salesman approach. Relationship marketing is a philosophy of doing the business, a strategy orientations that focus on keeping and improving the current customers rather than acquiring the new customer. What is relationship marketing? Relationship marketing is a marketing designed to create, maintain, and enhance the strong relationship with the customers and other stakeholders. It means without maintaining the relationship, we cannot do in the market, do the business in the market. For that, we have to maintain the long-term relationship between the employees, suppliers, distributioner, retailer, and other customers, etc. etc. And how do we create customers? By identify the customers needs, designing the goods and services that to meet the customers needs, communicating the informations about those goods and services to the prospective buyer, and providing the necessary services and follow-up. These are the facilities will be provided to the customers, and we can attract or creating a new customers and maintaining the good relationship and healthy relationship. Relationship marketing versus transactional marketing. Relationship marketing use methods to develop long-term relationship with customers in order to retain and develop their healthy relationship with the customer. But transactional marketing is focus all of its marketing efforts on attracting the customers for one-off sales. Relationship marketing is a healthy and long-term relationship maintained by the business with the customers and also on the profit. But transactional marketing is a mainly focus on the more sell and earn the profit through only they are attracting the customers. They did not maintain the relationship with the any other customers. These are the difference between the relationship marketing and the transactional marketing. There are 5 stages or levels of any relationship marketing: basic marketing, reactive marketing, accountability marketing, proactive marketing, and partnership marketing. First one, basic marketing. Basic marketing is also called as a direct sales marketing. The salesperson sell to the final consumer. This is also known as a direct sale. Or the company salesperson sell the product but does not follow up in any way. It means basic marketing is in a process of planning and executing the concept, pricing, promotion, and distributions of ideas and also goods and services to satisfy the needs of any individual customers or the organizations. In the basic marketing, the company will directly sell the product or services to the customers. They are not no agent or any intermediary will be involved in this marketing. The business will maintain the good and healthy relationship with the customers or any employees is called basic marketing. Reactive marketing means the salesperson sell the product and encouraging the customers to call for any comments or inquiry. It means if the customers or the employee is facing any problem regarding the product or services and how to use the product and other problems is facing by the customers, they can call the salespersons and asking the informations regarding the product and services. These are the facilities will be provided by the business to attracting the customers and also maintaining the good relationship is called reactive marketing. Next one, accountability marketing. It means the salespersons call to the customers a short time after the sale to check whether the product is meeting the customer's expectation. Means the salespersons call the customers and asking about the product, if the product is satisfied or not, and also if the product is meeting the expectations of the customers. For example, if the customers is expected more but the company will provide less needs, for that they are asking the customers for the better and a product expectations and satisfactions of the product is called as an accountability marketing. Accountability marketing is a reverse of reactive marketing. Next one, proactive marketing. It means the salespersons or other in the company phone the customers from time with suggestions about improving the product use or helpful the new product. Feedback will be asked by the salespersons by the customers for the new and better improvement of a product, and also free samples will be provided in the market, and checking whether the product has any quality and they have and peoples are purchasing of the product, we have they are testing. For example, if the company is producing high quality product and fixing the high price, rural peoples they cannot purchasing that product because they have more cost. If the company will purchasing the same product with having a less cost, then it will be purchased by all rural, and all people are purchasing. It may be in better for the better for the company development and earn the profit, and also maintaining the relationship with the existing customers and also attracting the new customers also. The last one is partnership marketing. The company works continuously with its large customers to improve its performance. It means collaborate between the two or more business with the aim of creating a mutually benefit market and also earn the profit and to meet the business objective. To meet the business objective, the company, two or more company will be in a collaborated that business or in a marketing is called as in a partnership marketing. Partnership marketing is in a most important marketing because it maintaining the healthy and strong relationship and build a trust and confidence between the employee between the partners with they are working. And also maintaining the long-term relationship, it also helpful for the business and also employees and customers. And also conclusion, relationship marketing, it is the practice of building long-term satisfying relationship with the key parties with like customers, suppliers, distributors in order to retain their long-term performance and business. And also relationship marketing build long term commits to earn the success, and you can use the relationship marketing to maintain our existing customers and also attracting the new customers. A relationship marketing is better than the transactional marketing. if the company is producing the less good quality and a less product, and the brand also good, it meet the all the requirement of the customers will always buy the same company product. It will be helpful for the company for the sale, for the increasing the profit, and also new customers will be also purchasing of the product, and also maintaining the long term relationship. And also it is a one of the strategy of the business to maintain the long term relationship to attracting the customers. This is the relationship marketing.